Here's a Brother Gx-6750 Correctonic electronic typewriter that I have for sale in my eBay store. I'm going to go over the general condition as part of the description. First, we'll look at the outside of it. It's pretty good overall condition. It does have some signs of use. You can see kind of a little burn mark or some kind of defect there and here. It has this case here that covers the keys. That pops right off. And you can see they're all in pretty good condition. Now I'll show you the sides here. I'll turn it over for you. There's the back. Here's the label and the serial number. There's a little cubby hole to tuck the cord into. And there is a handle on the bottom to carry it. Okay, now I'll plug it in and show you it functioning. Okay, I'm going to plug the unit in. Alright, I got a scrap piece of paper here that I will load. As you can see, it functions well. You will need to get a new ribbon. The one that's in there is currently working. Still currently good, but you are going to need to get a new one eventually. It does not come with one. Space, the return, all the keys function. Let's see. I haven't used a typewriter in a long time, so we got okay. Show you here. There you go. This is for sale on my eBay store. The link is in the description. Thanks for looking.